If the little stones which you have rolled from under your feet were able to speak, comma, they would relate to you a great story, comma, the story of this old world of ours as it was thousands of years ago, full stop. They cannot, comma, however, comma, and the story will not be told by them, full stop. But let us suppose that one particular pebble could talk, comma, and that it seized the opportunity to do so, full stop. It would tell you, comma, and the other gentlemen of your party, comma, of changes in climate, comma, great mad upheavals, comma, when the mighty ocean turned to dry land, comma, and the highest hills and the hard rocky mountains tottered and fell towards the sea and became, comma, indeed, comma, the sea bottom, full stop. If we listened, comma, as a child might listen, comma, to the story told by the pebble, comma, we might learn of the movements which are, comma, even now, comma, tending to turn parts of the earth into more habitable places, comma, and other parts into desolate wastes, full stop, close.